good afternoon to everyone present here. I, on behalf of the Department of ECE, KS Rangasamy College of Technology, welcome our alumnus, Miss Anupriya Ilango, Automation Test Lead, Cognizant, Chennai, who has readily accepted our invitation, and she is here to talk about leadership skills. And thank you, Anu, for accepting the invitation. And I request you to introduce yourself and then go on to the presentation. And guys, she is a very, very friendly person, and don't think she is a very formal resource person. You can have a very good interaction with her, and you can enjoy your next 1 hour or so with her. Thank you. Over to Anu.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So yes, ma'am, before moving on to the topic, right, I just wanted to know, how is this crowd like? I want to know the medium of language. Can we keep it in only English, or bilingual is okay?
I think bilingual is okay, but anyway, let us hear from the attendees. Hi guys, what do you tell? You want it to be on English, only English, or bilingual? You can unmute and you can tell. Hello.
Bilingual.
Only
Okay.
one person is speaking all the time. What about others?
Bilingual, ma'am.
I think I know it goes bilingual.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. I understand. All right. Okay. So to start,
they are, all are first belongs to first year, ma.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, so a very good afternoon to everybody, and I would like to thank our HOD ma'am and Kumar sir for having me. And yeah, like ma'am said, I am actually working in Cognizant as an automation test lead. I studied in the same department, in the same college. You know, I think it is, I joined our college in 2011. But my God, I feel so old now. But actually, I'm in my 20s only, but still. Yeah. So you guys can just interact with me like your elder sis. That is what I need here. And I don't want any formality. The main reason I've come for the session is to interact with you all. So I don't want it to be like a monologue. You know, I'm not here to come here for 1 hour. I don't want to, keep on going on and on and on. I want it to be an interactive session. So I know எல்லாருமே first years இருக்கீங்க. So I don't want anybody to think ஐயோ இவங்க அப்படி நினைச்சிருவாங்களோ இப்படி நினைச்சிருவாங்களோன்னு சொல்லிட்டு யாருமே பயந்துட்டு பேசாம இருக்காதீங்க. Okay, I wanted to call this as an interactive session. So let us jump into the session. I actually have made a PPT for you guys. I don't want to bore you with all these points and all, but still what I want to show is like I just wanted to deliver some clear content to you. So yeah, I made this for you guys. I hope you like it, and I hope it's not boring. Yeah, can you please confirm if you can share see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, great.
Yes.
So session ஆரம்பிக்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி எனக்கு ஒரே ஒரு question உங்க எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியும். எல்லாருமே first years இருக்கீங்க. So you will be having your own aspirations and dreams when coming into this college. இல்லையா? So நிறைய பேருக்கு அந்த aspirations and dreams ஓட சேர்ந்து ஒரு லீடர் ஆகணும் அப்படின்ற ஒரு ஆசையும் இருக்கும். So நான் என்ன கேக்குறேன் அப்படின்னா, what exactly is leadership to you? Who is a leader according to you? யாரு வேணாலும் பதில் சொல்லலாம். I want everybody to, get involved here. Now I'm putting it very easy, putting it as very basic question to you. Who according to you is a leader? இப்போ நீங்க சொன்னீங்கன்னா actually I can see the participants name, I guess. I think I can call out few names. Is that okay?
The person one who wishes to lead the group.
Okay, I'm very sorry. I can see a lot of participants here. So I want you to say your name and then answer it. Whoever is answering. Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hi. Who's this?
Ma'am, I am Preeti from ECE.
Oh, hi, Preeti. Yes, Preeti. Tell me, who do you think is a leader?
I'm a person who lead the group in a correct way, ma'am.
Okay, one who leads a particular number of people in a correct manner. Okay. Any other answers? Okay. Preeti, where you are? Okay, can Preeti pick up a name and tell a name so that that person can answer? Call out your friends, Preeti. Yeah, just like ma'am said in my introduction, right? I am not that of a scary person at all. You guys can talk to me pretty much very freely. So I'm here to talk to you guys, interact with you, and understand how much you know about leadership. That is why I'm here. So yeah, I want everybody to make use of this 1 hour opportunity and grasp as much as knowledge from me or learn from me, and even I'm here to learn from you as well. So it is a two-way communication, right? Yeah. Who is a leader according to you? It's a very simple question. யார் வேணாலும் ஆன்சர் பண்ண. உங்களை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் ஒரு லீடர்னு யாரை சொல்வீங்க?
Ma'am, audible, ma'am.
Yes, you are audible. Who's that?
I'm Vishnu Kumar from ECB section.
Yeah, hi Vishnu.
Leader means taking a responsibility even for others' failure and giving chance to everyone.
That's perfect. That is really good. Okay. Thanks, Vishnu. That is another perception of leadership skills. That's great. Anybody else?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, Sairam.
I'm Sairam from ECB, ma'am.
Yes, Sairam. Tell me.
A person who understands the situation and make a correct decision and lead their teammates in a correct way is they are called as leader.
Great. That's one fine answer. Good, Shrira, Sairam. So one more last chance for another member to speak up. Yeah, anybody interested for one last time? I mean, for this question?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, who's this?
I am Sibi Russell from EC department, B section.
Yes, Sibi.
In a pandemic situation, one who think failure is not the end of our path. Failure is our beginning of our success. One who think that kind of manner is called as a leader.
Okay, yeah. So we all have, thanks so much for participating, Preeti, Vishnu, Sairam, and Sibi. You, all four of you have given a different perception towards leadership, right? So when combining all your answers, I can put it in one sentence saying a leader is someone who's responsible, who takes good decision, and who leads people in a correct manner, and then to not get scared of failures, right? But yeah, along with this, there are a lot of aspects to leadership. For according to me, if you ask who is a leader, if you ask to me, I would definitely say if you can inspire and influence people, then you become a leader. I do not say that you have to lead a certain number of people in order to become a leader. So if you talk to a person and he gets inspired by you, then you definitely have the leadership quality. Okay, making people to do things that they also did not wanted to do, or they also thought that this is too much for me, I would not be able to do this, but persuading them and helping them, encouraging them to do, or influencing them to do the right things also makes a good leader. Yeah, so leadership is like an ocean. There is a vast concept, and of course 1 hour is exactly not enough to explain all the aspects of leadership. But we five of us were talking now, and we had 5 different perceptions on leadership, right? So whatever I am going to deliver in this 1 hour, it is definitely what I feel, it is my perception and my experience, right from my college, how leadership was impacting me and how I took leadership as a skill and I honed it and how it is useful to me. And I would like you to take this content and make it of your own use and then implement it in your life. So that is what I needed from you. Yeah, let us get into this now. Okay. The next question is why leadership matters. Everybody said, okay, this is a leader is responsible, leader is accountable, leader is someone who who leads group of people, he doesn't get scared of failures, everything. So we talked about all these things, but why exactly leadership matters? You see, in this entire world, the one of the most important skill when it comes to both corporate level or any public sector, private sector, anywhere, this leadership skills matters the most. I want to understand why does leadership matters the most, and why am I talking to you who are in the first years of engineering, and why it is important to you, and why are you, curious to attend this session. I want to know this. So why do you think that leadership matters? நம்ம இவ்வளவு நேரம் என்ன பார்த்தோம்னா யாரு லீடர் அப்படின்றது பார்த்தோம், லீடரோட ஆஸ்பெக்ட்ஸ் பார்த்தோம், லீடர்ஸோட கேரக்டரிஸ்டிக்ஸ் எல்லாம் நீங்க சொன்னீங்க இல்லையா? சோ நான் என்ன கேக்குறேன் அப்படின்னா, லீடர்ஷிப்னா ஏன் அதுக்கு வந்து இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் கொடுக்குறோம்? வை டு வி கன்சிடர் லீடர்ஷிப் வித் சோ மச் இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ்? நம்ம வந்து ஓகே லீடர்ஷிப்க்கு இருந்தா அது ஒரு பிளஸ் பாயிண்ட் அப்படின்னு ஏன் நம்ம கன்சிடர் பண்றோம்?
இது வந்துட்டு ஒரு விஷயம் சொல்றோம் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்கு பதிலா ஒரே ஒருத்தருக்கு சொன்னோம் அப்படின்னா அந்த நம்பர் ஆஃப் பீப்புள்ஸ் போவோம் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்காக ஒரு லீடர்ஷிப் வந்து கொண்டு வரும்.
சாரி ஜீவா, கேன் யூ கம் அகைன்?
நம்பர் ஆஃப் பீப்புள்ஸ் வந்துட்டு ஒரு விஷயம், ஒரு மேட்டர் வந்து ஏதோ சொல்ல வரோம் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்கு பதிலா ஒரு லீடர் கிட்ட சொன்னோம் அப்படின்னா அதை அவங்க கன்வே பண்ண முடியும். ஒரு லீடர்ஷிப் இருக்கிறது சொசைட்டிக்கு இதா இருக்கும் அப்படிங்கறதுனால லீடர்ஷிப் கொண்டு வரும்.
That's correct. Okay. If you want a very good message to convey to a set of people, you need one point of contact to convey that message to that particular set of people. So which makes it much easier for them to understand the message. Right? Yeah, that is a very good point, Jeeva. Thanks. Who else?
Hi, ma'am. I'm Aishwarya.
Yes, Aishwarya.
A leader is important to unite some group of people's thoughts. There may be any difference between the thoughts of some group of people. A leader is important to unite all these thoughts and make a good decision over that.
Okay. Yeah, that makes a very good point. Good, Aishwarya. Good. Yeah, to unite people, that is very important. So leadership, a leader is also responsible for having that unity among his people, his or her people. Yes, I understand. Anybody else?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Harish.
And many of the people, they have ability to the job, but they they do not know how to do that. The leader can give advice to do the job.
Okay, understood. So many people know how to do the job, but not everybody knows how to allocate the tasks and make others do the job. Yes, I totally agree with you. So one last, person to speak up on this question. Who wants to go for the last time?
Yes, ma'am. Leadership matters because without leader, there is no discipline, ma'am.
There is no, sorry, what is that, Mahesh?
Without a leader, there is no discipline, ma'am.
Okay, without the leader, there is no discipline. Okay, that is a very different perspective. That's correct. So again, so one question I put forth here: why leadership matters? You all gave wonderful answers. Like, thanks for participating, Harish, Mahesh, Jiva, and Aishwarya. So this is what I want. I want to understand about your mindset and your perspective towards leadership also. Yes, I totally agree. Why leadership matters? In order to see leadership, it's not like you have to lead a group of people and you have to kind of what to say you have to own a big company with 300 400 employees working for you. Usually that will be most of students perspective towards leadership, and I'm very happy that I am having much more matured audience here towards leadership, and I'm happy for that. According to me, why leadership matters? The leadership starts from home. It is not it is not that you can develop in classrooms, or it is not only pertaining to your college life and then your office, and then it goes on and on. But from what I understand is leadership is something which begins at home. So just understand, or just imagine, we have our family. Our family is led by our father and mother, right? So our father and mother, they have the qualities all that you mentioned now. Mahesh said discipline, and Jiva said about the message, and Aishwarya said about unity, and Harish, I'm sorry, what did you talk about?
Ability to do the job perfectly.
Exactly, ability to make others also to do the jobs. So what if our parents do not have that kind of quality? Just imagine, they do not know how to make their babies disciplined. They do not know how to allocate the jobs to others in the house. They will not be able to tell, hey, you do this, hey, you do that. They will not do they don't have that skill at all. Just imagine how that family will be a chaos, ரைட்? அவ்வளோ ஒரு கன்ஃபியூஷன் இருக்கும் அந்த ஃபேமிலியில. யாரு என்ன பண்றா, யாரு எதுக்கு ரெஸ்பான்சிபிள்னு எதுவுமே தெரியாது. ஸோ அதனாலதான் நான் சொல்றது, லீடர்ஷிப் ஆக்சுவலி ஸ்டார்ட்ஸ் from home. Okay, so until and unless our parents do not have that responsibility to make us discipline and to allocate, to make us understand that we are responsible of such jobs at home, they, until and unless they tell, hey, you go and sweep this, you clean this, you go wash your clothes and all those things, we are being disciplined right from the start, right? So when our parents fail to do that, it is a chaos. It is similar everywhere. Okay, so that is where leadership starts. Our family, our parents are one of the best examples of leaders. Okay, family la avlo periya kashtam irukum, but they'll never let us know, right? I think this belongs to each and everybody in the participant list. We will be facing so much of issues in the family, but we will never know about it. It is because they have that ability and the responsibility to handle it on their own, and then to give a very smooth life to all of us. So I wouldn't be giving much role of leadership other than parents, but yes, you can learn a lot from them. Yeah, so that is why leadership matters. In order to, actually, you guys are already telling me half of the answers. I'm just elaborating it to you guys so for better understanding. So in order to avoid chaos, in order to lead a very disciplined life, in order to maintain unity among everybody, there requires definitely a leader, right? Yes. So then again, so we were talking about family. The same thing goes to when it comes to sports, right? We have okay, our Indian cricket team we have. So who's your favorite captain? We have Virat, we have Dhoni. Okay, there are many captains, of course, but among the two, who is your favorite captain and why? I believe like everybody knows cricket, and even if you're not an ardent fan or something, but definitely you would be observing them in the news or something, right? Yeah, I think many people will be interested to answer this question. Who do you like the most? Is it Virat or Dhoni?
Dhoni.
Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Who's that? Jiva. Okay, why Dhoni, Jiva? Why do you like his captaincy?
His captaincy is like in cool and he's not a win or loss. He has to see that. So I have to like that.
Yeah. So he's the captain cool and you like him for his cool nature. Yes. Anybody speaking for Virat here? No Virat fans in this participation list? Okay.
Virat
We
also
have around
celebrated leadership in that time. எத்தனை மேட்ச் ஒரு தோத்தாலுமே வந்துட்டு ஒரு லீடர்ஷிப்பை விட்டுட்டு மத்த மேல பழி போட்டுட்டு போறது மாதிரியும் இல்ல. So Virat also celebrated that leadership.
That is correct. So this one important quality, I want to explain it to everybody. This is a very important answer that you gave, Jiva. So there is something happened in the team and Dhoni never puts the blame to his teammates. அவன் அப்படி பால் அடிச்சிட்டான், இவன் இப்படி பண்ணான், அவன் அந்த கேட்ச் மிஸ் பண்ணிட்டான். Nowhere ever, right? He would have never blamed any of his teammates. So I want to understand, what does this quality called? Does anybody know what is this quality called? Not blaming others and taking ownership of all the failures and mistakes of his team. இந்த குவாலிட்டிக்கு ஒரு பேர் இருக்கு, அது என்னன்னு தெரியுமா?
Responsibility.
Yes, responsibility is good, correct, but there is some other word. Sorry, someone spoke but I did not hear them. Yeah, any other guesses? You can be wrong. Please go ahead and be unapologetically wrong. I'm not hearing whoever is talking.
Accountability.
Accountability, that's correct. Who said this? யாருப்பா சொன்னா இது? They don't want to say their name. Okay. Okay, looks like he doesn't want the spotlight. But anyway, yeah, that is the correct answer. Whoever said this, accountability. There is a very minor line between. Yeah, who's this?
Krishna Kumar.
Krishna Kumar, is it? Okay. Yes, thanks for answering that, Kumar. That is the perfect answer. There is a very minor line between responsibility and accountability, right? So responsibility is like you own your team, you give whatever you manage. When, for example, okay, we'll take Dhoni's team itself. So Dhoni has a team, so his responsibility is to make win the match, and his responsibility is to strategize all the plans and execute it properly, and driving all the team members to do their best and everything. These are all the responsibilities of Dhoni. But when it comes to accountability, if there is any failure or anything that goes missing in the team or anything, he immediately comes to the front and tell boss, this is my mistake, I would have done it much better and this won't happen again. So accepting the mistakes and taking blame for the entire team is Dhoni being accountable. So one of the most important qualities of a leader is to be accountable, right? So in this part of section, we saw how do we saw who is a leader. Then the next question was, we discussed on why leadership matters, right? So the next thing, I want to utilize this entire 1 hour to give you an insight of how you all can become a leaders, right? So I'm not like coming here and giving you a 1 hour lecture on leadership, but I want to give you some insights which will help you to become a leader and make use of the skills in your college itself. So my next question is, how do you become a leader? Like, just tell me from a college student perspective, how do you become a leader? Like, I just want to understand the mindset. I know that a lot of great leaders are in the participant list, but I just wanted to know, how do you become a leader from your point of view? நம்ம எப்படி ஒரு லீடர் ஆகுறது? நம்ம யாரு லீடர்னு பார்த்தோம், who's a leader அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம். Like why does leadership matters? எதனால எவ்வளவு இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் லீடர்ஷிப் அப்படிங்கிறது பார்த்தாச்சு. நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்துட்டு எப்படி லீடர் ஆகுறது? why நம்ம வந்து ஒரு ஹெட்டா இல்ல ஒரு லீடா நம்ம எப்படி நம்மனால ஆக முடியும் அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து உங்ககிட்ட இருந்து தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். எனி answers on that? There are actually 84 attendees in the list and I have only had 8 answers now. So யாரெல்லாம் answers பண்ணீங்களோ, it is really commendable. Thank you for standing out in the crowd. And when I finish this session, right, I will always remember your 8-9 people for sure. Yeah, among this 84 people, you definitely stood out today. Let me know who is going to answer this question now. How to become a leader? Like what it takes to become a leader?
Take responsibilities.
Take responsibilities. Is that what you said, Jeeva?
No, man. Not சொல்றீங்க.
Your name was blinking. That's why. Sorry. Who said that?
Praveen Kumar.
Praveen Kumar, yes.
Oh, okay. Okay, Praveen Kumar. Yes. Taking responsibilities. What about any other answers?
Volunteering.
Sorry, did someone tell anything? Your voice was breaking.
Volunteering, ma'am.
Yes. You see my next slide? Who said this volunteering?
Vishnu Kumar.
Okay, Vishnu. Yeah, I hope you all can see my screen. So there is one big large of letters saying volunteer. How do you become a leader in your college days, right? So that is a very pretty tricky question. Vishnu, நீங்க எதனால வாலண்டியர்னு சொன்னீங்க?
நான் எதுலயும் வாலண்டியரா அதிகமா ஆக மாட்டேன். வாலண்டியரிங் பண்றப்ப ஸ்டாஃப்ஸாவே கூட பொறுப்பு தருவாங்க தானா.
Okay. Okay, great. So let me throw some light on this topic, volunteer. To be very frank, I don't know how many of you do it, but this batch of students, I mean, you are first years of engineering, right? So luckily, you will not be spending the entire 4 years of engineering at home. Okay, so by God's grace, definitely you will go to college, and probably in the second year, by God's grace, in second year or third year, you will definitely be in college. So the very, very important skill as a college student, as a fresher joining the college on a professional degree, the very first quality that you need to develop is definitely volunteering. Okay, so volunteer, இப்போ விஷ்ணு சொன்னாங்க நானா வாலண்டியர் பண்ண மாட்டேன், பட் மேமோ இல்ல சரோ வந்து அவங்களுக்கு வந்து ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டிஸ் கொடுப்பாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. Okay, to be frank, I'll tell you one scenario. My college days was entirely focused on volunteering. I don't know. Okay, it's like each and every time when someone or the other that comes into the room and asks for a volunteer, it would be definitely me, and obviously there will be always or 3-4 students will be lifting their hands up, right? மத்த ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் சொல்லுவாங்க இவனுங்க வேற எதை கேட்டாலும் கையை தூக்கிடுவாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. ஸோ அந்த 4-5 பேர் நாங்க கண்டிப்பா இருந்தோம். Anything, any event or any task that needs to be done, we will always volunteer. So நான் என்ன கொஸ்டின் கேக்குறேன் அப்படின்னா, இப்போ விஷ்ணு சொன்ன மாதிரி நானா வாலண்டியரிங் பண்ண மாட்டேன், பட் மேம் வந்து எனக்கு ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டிஸ் கொடுத்தா நான் எடுத்துக்குவேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்றீங்க. So I wanted to ask you why this question is not only to Vishnu but to the entire participants here. I'm asking, what is stopping you from volunteering in college?
மேம் நான்
Yes, Vishnu.
மேம் நான் வந்து நம்ம வாலண்டியரிங் பண்ணா ஸ்டாஃப்ஸா அவங்களே வந்து இந்த ஒர்க்கு நீயே பார்த்து செஞ்சுக்கோ சொல்லுவாங்கன்னு சொன்னாங்க.
Oh, great. Okay, I misunderstood the answer then. I'm sorry. All right. So நீங்க volunteer பண்றீங்க, உங்களுக்கு வந்து then teachers will be like, okay, இந்த பையன் volunteering பண்ணுவான், இவனுக்கு இந்த responsibilities கொடுத்தா அவன் வந்து நல்லா பண்ணிடுவான் அப்படின்ற ஒரு trust இருக்கும். Am I right? Okay, that's great, Vishnu. But for the others who might not get into volunteering or who doesn't wish to be a volunteer, what does it stop you from? Why not become a volunteer? எது வந்து which is stopping you from volunteering? Can you be very frank? I want this to be a very normal casual conversation between senior and juniors. Okay, so that is what I want. எதனால வந்து உங்களுக்கு அந்த குவாலிட்டி வந்து வரல? நான் இது வரைக்கும் வாலண்டியரிங்கே பண்ணதில்ல அப்படின்ற மாதிரி யாராவது இருக்கீங்களா?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we feel shy because of we brought a wrong answer.
Okay, understood. Who's talking?
Pragadish.
Okay, Pragadish. Thanks for answering, Pragadish. Okay, you said there is a shyness, right? Okay. Anybody else?
மேம் இப்போ வந்து ஒர்க் நமக்கு தராங்க அப்படின்னா ட்ரஸ்ட் வச்சு தந்தாங்கன்னா நம்ம பண்ண முடியும்னு சொன்னாங்க இல்லைங்க மேம். ஸோ நம்ம வாலண்டரிங்கா பண்றப்ப வந்துட்டு நம்ம எடுத்த அந்த ஒர்க் வந்துட்டு ஏதாவது தப்பா பண்ணிடுவோமோ அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு இதுல வந்துட்டு வாலண்டியர் வந்துட்டு கம்மியாக.
Okay, understood. Is this Jiva?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. That is a very frank and normal answer. I mean, எல்லாருமே இந்த ஒரு fear of failure during the responsibility that is given to you, அது கண்டிப்பா எல்லாத்துக்கும் இருக்கும். That is very normal, Jiva. Thanks for answering that and bringing it up here. Okay, who else? Pragadish has answered, Jiva. மத்தவங்க எல்லாருமே are you into volunteering? எல்லாருமே you guys are very curious about volunteering or what? I just wanted to know. Okay, one last
volunteer பண்ணா.
Yes, please சொல்லுங்க சாய்ராம்.
மேம் வாலண்டியர் பண்ண போவோம் மேம். அப்ப நமக்கு என்ன தோணும்னா, நம்ம சப்போஸ் அந்த வேலையை பண்ணி நமக்கு தப்பா நடந்துச்சுன்னா தப்பா ஆயிருமோ அப்படின்னு ஒரு திங்கிங்லே இருக்கும். ஸோ வேண்டாம்.
Okay, great. Okay, Sairam, thanks for that answer. Again, that is a fear of failure, right? Correct. Okay, another I'm expecting like few more different answers. I just wanted to understand உங்களுக்கு என்ன மாதிரி பிரச்சனை இருக்கு வாலண்டியரிங்ல? Why some of us are not coming forward when asked for volunteering? எதனால? So that you know, I can give. I'm not now. I have not done PhD in leadership. Okay, I am all experience. I'm like full on experience. What you literally can utilize me for exactly 1 hour and take all this experience from me so that you can implement it in your college days. That is what I want. So yes, thanks, Sairam. Anybody else? I just want one last, because I'm keeping like 4 to 5 answers for each and every question. It's already half an hour past, so I might have another half an hour. Anybody else?
Ma'am.
Yes.
வாலண்டியர் பண்ண ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டிஸ் இது நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம் வந்துட்டு நம்மள தான் நம்பி கூப்பிடுவாங்க மேம். அப்ப நம்ம கரெக்டா பண்ண முடியலன்னா ஒரு ஃபீல் ஆகும்.
Okay, great. Is that Pragadish?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So thanks for answering, Pragadish. Yeah, does anybody else want to answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, who's that?
I'm Harish.
Yes, Harish.
If it goes wrong, they never trust us for any other.
Okay, understood. Yes, I completely agree with you. Okay. Okay. One more. Anybody else want to answer this? See, இது வந்து ரொம்ப பேசிக்கான கொஸ்டின். இட்ஸ் நாட் லைக் எல்லாருமே வந்துட்டு we all learn things, right? எல்லாத்துக்குமே எல்லாமே தெரிஞ்சிருக்காது, எல்லாரும் பெர்ஃபெக்ஷனிஸ்ட் கிடையாது. Okay, even I can not be perfect in many ways, and even I'm still not perfect in one particular thing. We all are learning in our day-to-day basis. Still we are learning. I am learning from you and you are learning from me. There is no point of being shy in this podium, right? This is a very wonderful platform. I think we have to be kind of thankful to ma'am and sir for organizing this so that I can actually share what my experience was and you guys can learn from it, and I can understand your mindset and I can also help you with that, right? Yeah, that is why I'm asking everybody to interact. நீங்க பயப்படணும்ன்ற அவசியமே கிடையாது. In fact, if this was a stage session இருந்துச்சு, நேர்ல மாதிரி இருந்துச்சுன்னா it would have been a different scenario. Okay, கண்டிப்பா உங்க எல்லாத்தையும் I would have literally pulled you out of from your desks and made you talk, but unfortunately you people got lucky. I'm not able to pull people and make them talk here. Yeah. And I'll be very happy if you guys can just share your mindsets to me. Yeah. Okay, I think we can close this Q&A for now. In the question la major கிடைச்ச ஆன்சர் என்ன அப்படினு பாத்தீங்கன்னா it is fear of failure, right? Fear of failure while volunteering. See, what I understand is கண்டிப்பா இந்த ஒரு சின்ன fear எல்லாத்துக்குமே இருக்கும். But until and unless you overcome this fear, you will not be able to improve yourself. Kandipa, who spoke now? I know Pragadesh, Jeeva, Sairam, and Harish, right? You guys tell me, இவங்க 4 பேர்த்துக்கும் ஒரு லீடர் ஆகணும், ஒரு பர்டிகுலர் குரூப் ஆஃப் பீப்புள் நீங்க ரெப்ரசென்ட் பண்ணணும் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு ஆசை இருக்குமா இருக்காதா? சொல்லுங்க.
Yes ma'am.
கண்டிப்பா இருக்கும் இல்லையா? It is very natural for us all to want to become a leader and represent a clan. இப்போ for example, இப்போ நீங்க வாலண்டியரிங் வரும்போதே நீங்க என்ன யோசிக்கிறீங்கன்னா நம்ம தப்பு பண்ணிடுவோமோ அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி யோசிக்கிறீங்க. Okay, but what I suggest you is you have to go அந்த தாட்டுக்கு மேலதான் நீங்க யோசிக்கணும். even if that thought comes, you have to ignore it. So for example, இப்போ வந்து காலேஜஸ்ல எல்லாம் சிம்போசியம் நடக்கும். Okay, so you are in a class நடந்துட்டு இருக்க, ஒரு சீனியர் வராங்க. இப்ப அவங்க என்ன கேக்குறாங்க அப்படின்னா பேப்பர் பிரசன்டேஷனுக்கு எங்களுக்கு வாலண்டியர்ஸ் வேணும் அப்படின்னு கேட்பாங்க. Okay, so you being the first years, I don't know how much you know about paper presentation. உங்களுக்கு அந்த paper presentationல என்ன நடக்கும் அப்படிங்கிறது தெரியாம இருக்கலாம். But without knowing anything, blind என்ன பண்றீங்கன்னா you guys just opt for volunteering. Okay, நீங்க வந்து அந்த fear தாண்டி what you have to do is you have to just raise your hand. கண்டிப்பா பயமா தான் இருக்கும், but when you do that, right, ஒன்னும் இல்ல, உங்க சீனியர் கூப்பிட்டு he'll tell you, இங்க பாருங்கப்பா இந்த மாதிரி வேலை எல்லாம் இருக்கு, இதெல்லாம் நம்ம பண்ணணும். பேப்பர் பிரசன்டேஷன் டீம் வந்துட்டு நம்மளோட நம்ம கமிட்டில இந்த வேலையெல்லாம் இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டு what that senior will do is he'll allot you some task. Okay, for example, he'll tell Pragadesh, you go and book the projector அப்படின்னு சொல்லிடுவாங்க. He'll tell Jeeva, you get the participants list அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. For Harish turn என்ன சொல்றாங்கன்னா, Harish, you can shortlist the papers, you can work with another senior அப்படின்னு சொல்லிடுவாங்க. Okay, so this happens. For example, I'm saying now Pragadesh, Jeeva and Harish are into volunteering that paper presentation committee. Okay, so இப்ப என்ன ஆகுது அப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா, அந்த paper presentationல what happens is they'll get to know what exactly that committee is doing. And Pragadesh வந்து என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க அப்படின்னா, just to get the projector for that particular lab or that hall, he'll talk to so many people. அங்கேயே அவரோட பாதி ஷைனஸ் போயிடும். Okay, he'll talk to so many people, he'll get in touch with the lab assistants. They will இதுலயே வந்து நான் என்ன சொல்றேன் அப்படின்னா, 3-4 பேர்கிட்ட பேசுவாங்க, அந்த 3-4 பேர்த்தோட கான்டாக்ட்ஸ் வந்து டெவலப் ஆயிரும். So the next time when Pragadesh or Jeeva is seeing them on road or seeing them on some corridor, right, you will go and talk to them, and that is where the bond begins, and that is where you start building up contacts, right? And this is why you need to volunteer. சோ இப்ப வாலண்டியர் பண்ணாதவங்களுக்கு வந்து இதெல்லாம் எதுவுமே, இந்த சான்ஸ் இந்த ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டிஸ் எல்லாம் எதுவுமே கிடைச்சிருக்காது. ஆமே ரைட்? சோ என்ன நடக்கும் அப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா, என்னப்பா இவங்க கூட எல்லாம் பேசுறான் அப்படின்னு தான் நினைச்சுக்குவாங்க. பட் ரியாலிட்டி என்ன அப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா, இது வந்து ஒரு ரொம்ப ரொம்ப சின்ன எக்ஸாம்பிள். பட் நவ் யூ ஆர் இன் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இயர், யூ ஹேவ் சோ மெனி கான்டாக்ட்ஸ். ஓகேயா? இப்ப என்ன ஆகும்னா, யூ கோ டு செகண்ட் இயர் and then you come to third year. Again second yearல வரும்போது போன வருஷம் யார பேப்பர் பிரசன்டேஷன்ல இருந்தீங்களோ அப்படியே அவங்கள வந்து செகண்ட் இயர்லயே வச்சிருவாங்க. So when it comes to third year, right, so final years will be actually guiding the presentation committee and all. They will not be too much involved. They'll be just overseeing the high level என்ன சொல்றது, ஹை லெவலா அந்த ப்ரிப்பரேஷன்ஸ் எல்லாம் எப்படி போயிட்டு இருக்குன்னு பார்ப்பாங்க. பட் தேர்ட் இயர் வில் டேக் த ஹோல் ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டி. ஸோ தேர்ட் இயர் வரும்போது the entire paper presentation committee will fall into the hands of these three people. Now what they'll do is they will guide all the juniors. இப்ப இவங்களுக்கு என்ன ஆகும்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா, அந்த ஷைனஸ் இருக்காது, அந்த டாக்கிங் டு பீப்புள்ன்ற அந்த ஃபியர் இருக்காது. இட் இஸ் a very very small task. இதுல ஃபெயிலியர்ங்கிற வார்த்தைக்கு இடமே இல்லை. Even if you fail, right, there is nobody going to scold you. If for example ஜீவாட்ட வந்து பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட் லிஸ்ட் எடுத்துட்டு வான்னு சொல்றாங்க. ஜீவா வந்துட்டு பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட் லிஸ்ட்ல கன்ஃபர்மேஷன் யாரெல்லாம் வருவாங்கிற கன்ஃபர்மேஷன் வந்துட்டு கேட்க சொல்றாங்க ஜீவாவை. So he's feeling shy or he's saying that how will I call so many strangers and ask if they are coming or not, right? What அப்ப என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க அப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா, some senior or super senior will definitely call him and make a call in front of him. இங்க பாருப்பா, நான் ஒருத்தருக்கு பேசி காட்டுறேன், அதே மாதிரி நீ பேசு. Okay, so there is no fear of failure here. See, everybody is human and everybody make mistakes. In fact, நான் ஒரு fresh example நான் உங்களுக்கு சொல்றேன். இந்த ஒரு I think we have been talking for around 40 minutes. In the 40 minutesல I have not been fluent in my own self, right? இப்ப நானே நிறைய mistakes பண்ணியிருந்திருக்கலாம், but I really don't care about it. Okay, when you have to come to a point when you stop thinking what others will think. நம்ம இப்படி ஃபெயில் ஆனா என்ன நினைச்சிருவோமோ, ஃபெயில் ஆனா இவங்க என்ன நினைப்பாங்களோ, ஐயோ நமக்கு ஒரே அசிங்கமாயிருமே, அதெல்லாம் நினைச்சீங்கன்னா நம்ம வந்து இருந்த இடத்துலயே தான் இருப்போம். we will always be in level 0 and we will never ever reach level 10. ஓகே, இது வந்துட்டு ஒரு ஸ்டெப் பை ஸ்டெப். இப்ப லீடர்ஷிப் வந்துட்டு நான் ஒரு 1 hour நான் சொல்றேன், இதுதான்ப்பா லீடர்ஷிப், இதெல்லாம் நீ கத்துக்கணும், இந்த குவாலிட்டிஸ் எல்லாம் இருக்கணும் அப்படின்னா you will not become a leader in one night. Am I right? So இப்ப நான் என்ன சொல்றேன் அப்படின்னா, you have to make use of each and every opportunity that is being thrown to you. Okay, even you won't believe I am actually in touch with my college, my HOD ma'am, my class advisors for the past 10 years. Ipo enoda class group is still active, and you won't believe 10 years achu, it's already almost 10 years, but still we have the same bond, same kind of communication that goes through in the group as well. So edachu ஒரு இந்த மாதிரி வாலண்டியர் வேணும் அப்படின்னா நான் தான் உடனே என்னோட கிளாஸ் அட்வைசர் கால் பண்ணேன். you know what last time she told, அனு பரவாயில்ல, நீங்க எல்லாத்துக்குமே வரீங்க, இட் இஸ் ஓகே, ஐ டோன்ட் வாண்ட் டு ட்ரபிள் யூ அப்படின்ற மாதிரி. இட் இஸ் லைக், see, நமக்கு வாலண்டியரிங் அப்படிங்கிறது தானா வரணும். we are all so young people. I believe like you will be only what 17, 18, 19 years old இல்லையா? so இந்த வயசுல நீங்க எனர்ஜெட்டிக்கா கியூரியோசிட்டியோட இல்லாம இருந்தீங்கன்னா, what will happen when you become 25 years old and you get into a corporate world? அங்க வந்து they'll put you in a team of, எப்படி சொல்றது, இப்போ ஒரு பொண்ணுங்க இருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா அவங்கள ஒரு 5 member பாய்ஸ் டீம்ல போட்டாலும் போடலாம். அப்புறம் வந்து பசங்களை வந்து ஒரு 6 member கேர்ள்ஸ் டீம்ல போட்டாலும் போடலாம். I'm saying that you shouldn't hesitate to talk to the opposite gender. இதெல்லாம் எப்ப வரும்னா, you have to volunteer, you have to grind yourselves to enough to prepare your mind and skills எல்லாமே வந்து prepare பண்ணணும். அதுக்கான wonderful platform is our EC department, and I'm not coming here to market about it, but because I have been there. Okay, so fear of failure அப்படிங்கறது வந்துட்டு நீங்க, it is completely your overthinking. Okay, உங்களோட overthinkingனால மட்டுமே whatever it is, நம்ம உருப்பட்டாலும் சரி உருப்படலனாலும் சரி எல்லாமே வந்துட்டு நம்மனாலதான். Okay, and another important aspect of not volunteering, what I feel is, I actually thought someone would tell this. என்னோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கிண்டல் அடிப்பாங்க, இவன் வேற சின்ன பையன் மாதிரி கைய தூக்கிடுறான், சின்ன பொண்ணு மாதிரி கைய தூக்கிட்டு போயிடுறான். I just want to know, இந்த மாதிரி நடந்திருக்கா இல்ல do you think that this will happen, அந்த ஒரு peer pressure இருக்கா அப்படிங்கறது நான் தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். Does anyone have this kind of thought, இவங்க எந்திரிச்சாலே ஐயோ என் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் ஏதாச்சும் சொல்லுவாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு? Do you think like that? If you don't want to actually tell this in a public podium, you can yeah. Hello, did anyone? Okay, Rashmi is saying yes. Okay, anybody else? வேற யாருக்காச்சும் இந்த பிரச்சனை இருக்கா? Okay, no. Even if you have this problem, you can just ping yes in this chat only to me, so that even I can understand. I'm not going to take their names and all, obviously, but I just want to know if others are feeling the same. Okay, so what I'm saying here is, அந்த மாதிரி பிரச்சனை இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா நீங்க வாலண்டியர் பண்றதை ஸ்டாப் பண்ணக்கூடாது, உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஷிப்பை தான் ஸ்டாப் பண்ணணும். So you have to make sure that you have a very positive friend circle in college. Okay, நீங்க first yearல இருந்தே see, you are going to be there for the next 4 years together, and obviously you will build lot of friendships, and I want you to be very careful in picking up those friends, right? So same mindset irukka friends ah neenga choose pannu. See, you get in touch with the person, you talk to him or her, and you might feel that they are not vibing with you, right? உங்களோட வைப்ஸும் அவங்க வைப்ஸும் என்ன ஆகும்னா கிளாஷ் ஆயிட்டே இருக்கும், but still you will be continuing your friendship with them. Yeah, that is totally not advisable. உங்களோட friend circle வந்துட்டு it is a very important part in your college life. Okay, always and always நம்ம வந்து அந்த ஒரு பாசிட்டிவ் எனர்ஜி வந்துட்டு அந்த 4 வருஷமும் நீங்க மெயின்டைன் பண்றது ரொம்ப முக்கியம். இப்ப ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், if Pragadesh is having a group of 4 or 5 friends, அதுல 4 பேர் வந்து அவனை வாலண்டியரிங் பண்ணும்போது கிண்டல் அடிச்சிட்டாங்க அப்படின்னா அவன் நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம் கண்டிப்பா அவன் வாலண்டியர் பண்ண மாட்டான். Okay, you have to make sure that there are friends who pat you on the back and encourage you to do things. Okay, if they are saying not to volunteer or not to represent something or not to take responsibilities, you have to tell them that this is not the right thing to do. Okay, உங்களுக்கு 4 வருஷம் இருக்கு, 4 வருஷம் எப்படி போக போகுதுனே உங்களுக்கு தெரியாது, right? So it is very important that you develop this volunteering skill so that you become a future leader. நான் இதெல்லாம் பண்ணல அப்படின்னா அதுக்கும் நான் என்ன ஆகும்னு நான் சொல்றேன். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், 4 வருஷமா நம்ம எதுலயுமே கலந்துக்கல, எதுவுமே நம்ம ஒழுங்கா பண்ண கிடையாது, எந்த ஒரு ஈவென்ட்லயும் சரி ஆர்கனைசேஷன்ஸ்லயும் சரி எதுலயுமே பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணல. Then what happened? By God's grace you get placed in a company. Okay, you get placed in a company, and what happens then? அங்கதான் நமக்கு பிரச்சனை வரும். I'm not saying like you guys are going to become teachers, you will be into corporates, you will be into government sectors, in many places, but each and everything has become a team now. If for example na corporate la solra, because I am from corporate, so I am telling you guys that. So once you get placed, they'll be putting you in a team of 5 or 6. Okay, anga poitu there will be people from other states or other country people kuda நீங்க communicate பண்ணனும், எல்லாமே பண்ணனும். For example, you are a girl and you are put into a team of 4 or 5 boys and you are the only girl alone. What would you do? நான் வந்து இப்படி ஒரு situation வந்துட்டு maybe Preeti or Rashmi ku vandu na the situation kudukren. If this is a scenario, what you would be doing? Do you feel comfortable, or is it will you be very social and try to interact with them, or how is it going to be?
It will be difficult for me, ma'am.
Yes, Rashmi, that's correct. That's a very frank answer, Rashmi. I commend you for that. See, it is going to be difficult. Yeah, but I'm not saying people who are not volunteering in college, they will never be successful, right? They will definitely be successful, but it might take a lot of time. But when you start to communicate with everybody, start volunteering, participate in things, and have your own identity in your department, and that gives a huge confidence when you get placed in a company. For example, na solra, Rashmi is into volunteering since first year, and she has participated in lot of events, and she has organized it. And third year la varumode, she is a big identity in the department, and then placement comes, she's getting placed, and then she gets into the same team. You trust me, you might think I am actually buffing here, but actually what will happen is Rashmi will have the confidence that it takes to talk to her opposite genders. Yeah, whoever it is, she'll be very confident in talking. She'll be like, even she can be the first person who goes to everybody and talks and introduce herself, and that makes a great team player. So when her manager is seeing all these qualities in her, and that appave vandu avanga manager ku eppadi thonuna, okay, she can lead a team. So within no matter of time, she can become a team lead. Okay, and I'm not lying here because this was my experience. And in fact, I have been the youngest team lead in my account in Cognizant also. Okay, so it's a huge kind of, what to say, dedication and commitment that I received from college during volunteering and everything that helped me to hone this skill and talk to people. I never shy away from anything. And எல்லாரும் வந்துட்டு அசிங்கப்படுறதுல வந்துட்டு ரொம்ப you feel so embarrassed, right? You have to get embarrassed. I'm telling you, it is a huge lesson. அப்பதான் அந்த மிஸ்டேக்க நம்ம வந்துட்டு திருப்பியும் ரிப்பீட் பண்ணவே மாட்டோம். ஓகே, நம்ம 4 பேர் முன்னாடி அசிங்கப்படுறோமோ அப்படின்ற ஒரு பயத்திலேயே you guys are stopping yourself from doing anything. உங்களுக்கே கடைசி வரைக்கும் உங்களோட பொட்டன்ஷியல் வந்துட்டு தெரியாம போயிடும். That is what I'm saying here. You guys can have amazing leadership skills, நல்லா socialize பண்ணுவீங்க, but when it comes to public என்ன சொல்றது, போடியமோ இல்ல ஒரு 20 பேர் 40 பேர் கிட்ட பேசும்போது வர கஷ்டமோ வந்துட்டு, if you didn't sort it out during college days, it will definitely reflect in your future job culture, work culture, எல்லாத்துலயும் அது impact பண்ணும் கண்டிப்பா. Okay, definitely you guys will sort it out in work culture because you will get used to it. But for me, what happened was I got immediately adaptable to my new environment, spoke to everybody. I was doing well in the project and everything. I literally what to say, I got the growth level for me personally in my company is so good just because I had all this socializing skill, interpersonal skills, which all I had the opportunity to develop in college. That actually came in handy to me. Okay, so நான் என்ன சொல்றேன் அப்படின்னா, எதை பத்தியும் கவலைப்படாதீங்க. ஃபியர் ஆஃப் ஃபெயிலியர், ஷைனஸ், நான் அசிங்கப்பட்டுருவனோ அப்படின்ற ஒரு தாட் எதையுமே நினைக்காதீங்க. ஓகே, until and unless நீங்க, you should be responsible only for your thought. யாரோட நெகட்டிவ் இன்ஃப்ளூயன்ஸ் குள்ளேயும் போகாதீங்க. So whenever tomorrow if a teacher is coming and asking you, I need a volunteer, it would be amazing if 80 people or 20 people நான் சொல்லும் போது ma'am should get confused. ஐயோ நான் யாருக்கு கொடுக்கறது அப்படின்ற மாதிரி. Okay, that is what is important. இல்லனா இப்போ ஒருத்தவங்க வந்து ஒரு டைம் வாலண்டியர் பண்றாங்க, நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம் யாரும் பண்ணலனா the opportunity gradually goes to that person only. இல்லையா? சோ என்ன ஆகும் அப்படின்னா, இப்போ 20 பேர்ல வந்து ஒருத்தரே வாலண்டியர் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தாங்க அப்படின்னா, அந்த ஒருத்தர் மட்டும் தான் டெவலப் ஆவாங்க. அண்ட் அவங்க டெவலப் ஆகுறத பார்த்து மத்தவங்க எல்லாம் டெஃபினட்டா என்ன ஆகும் அப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா யூ வில் ஃபீல் இன்டிமிடேட்டட் பை தட். Okay, so that is what is not necessary. It should be a collective effort. Unga friends, please make your friends race along with you. Unga friends are help pannunga. Have a very positive friend circle. You won't believe one example I would like to tell you here is, I did not tell any of my college friends that I'm coming here and giving this talk, but enoda college group la post pannirukanga and I didn't know it was also posted in FB. But to my surprise, lot of my college friends sent me that flyer and they told, Anu, we are so proud of you, still you're in touch with college people, and you keep doing this thing and all. So that is what you need. See, it's a very little thing that I'm coming here and because this is what I love to do, and I love to talk to my juniors and I love to mentor them on this non-technical aspects and all. But that is what friends are for. Okay, so one important thing is, if your friends are not up to your standards or up to your expectations, you shouldn't feel embarrassed or you shouldn't feel bad in stopping their friendships immediately. Okay, you have to grow as a person all these 4 years. So ஏன்னா first year la இத சொல்றேன் அப்படின்னா, I have seen my friends who got into bad friendships and nothing had happened in the last 4 years in engineering except they had handful of arrears, right? So அந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் இல்லாம have a great positive circle with you, start volunteering. And volunteering மட்டும் இல்லாம உங்களுக்கே ஒரு ஐடியா தோணும், நம்ம டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்ல இப்படி பண்ணா இது இன்னும் நல்லா இருக்குமே அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. பட் அது போய் நம்ம சொல்ல மாட்டோம். You won't believe, like my friend and myself, we actually started a forum called Student Industry in college. அது என்ன பண்ணும் அப்படின்னா, ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸே வந்து சின்ன சின்ன எலக்ட்ரானிக் எக்யூப்மெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் மேனுஃபேக்சர் பண்ணி we used to sell. We actually started making use of entrepreneurship development cell in college. I don't know how many of you know that we have an entrepreneurship development cell in college, but you will come to know. If you are first year, you might be in a shell, but yeah, later when you come to second year, third years, you have to make use of it, and you have to talk to your faculty. You have to talk to your faculty in case of edacha idea irunduchu abdina, you can go and tell them. Kandipa, if it can happen in the department, it is going to happen. They will never stop you from saying இல்ல இதெல்லாம் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க முடியாது அப்படின்னு ஒரு டைம் கூட சொன்னதே கிடையாது. HOD மேமா இருக்கட்டும், குமார் சாரா இருக்கட்டும், ராஜசேகர் சாரா இருக்கட்டும், all faculty whoever was there when during my college period, they were like gem of a people. And இதெல்லாம் ஒரு pre-assumptions, like நம்ம இப்படி சொன்னா அவங்க ஏதாவது நினைச்சுக்குவாங்களோ அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. You never know what that idea might turn into, right? So அந்த மாதிரி இது ஐடியா இருந்தாலும் வெக்கப்படாம பயப்படாம தயவு செஞ்சு போய் சொல்லுங்க. Okay, yes, so that is what to summarize, right? Whatever we spoke in this entire 1 hour, we saw who is a leader, we saw why leadership matters and how to become a leader being a college student. Yes, you have to volunteer, you have to take up volunteering pretty seriously, and you have to maintain a positive friend circle who's always there to encourage you. And I'm requesting you to cut off friendships who's bringing you down. And yeah, if you have a good idea which is going to make our department much better, then you can definitely propose the ideas to HOD ma'am, Kumar sir, or Rajsekar sir, or anyone. And you never know how much that idea will impact our department, how much big it can become, right? So I don't know if I have bored you for the past 1 hour, but I just want like at least 4 to 5 people to take in all the content that I gave and implement all the qualities that is necessary for the leader in all these 4 years. You have 4 wonderful years ahead, but remember, takkanu poirum. So make use of all the 4 years and be very curious to participate, to volunteer, to organize, and obviously to learn and excel in your own area of expertise, right? Yeah. I think we can. I have come to the end of it, but one slide I wanted to show. This is what I was talking about. If you could see my screen, volunteers do not necessarily have the time. They just have the heart. Now, until and unless you have the heart of your own to volunteer, to step out, to stand out of the crowd, you will never ever become a better person in the few years, right? Like, this is all the opportunities that you get in the college to hone yourself, hone your skills, to become a much better person. Yeah, so in order to become a leader, this is what I have collectively put forth for the past 1 hour. You just need to inspire people. When I say shared vision, it is the friends that you have. So if you have an idea, your friends can go talk to the respective faculty, and then you can bring a change in the department. So many things can do. All these things makes you a great leader. Okay. And yeah, so these things, I don't want to tell you that Mukesh Ambani is a great leader or Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader. We all know, but I want to normalize this leadership and tone it down a little bit, just to tell you that what leadership exactly means. See, for example, if you can see my screen, there is this person called Madison who is very, very young, and she started providing tutoring and childcare services to parents who were, frontline workers for COVID-19. Then again, there is another girl who wanted to explain sanitization and how important is to be hygienic during COVID-19. She just went to a marketplace in Africa and just explained how do you wash your hands and everything, just to create awareness. All these things are very small things, but she has influenced so many people, and whoever she has influenced, right, they will also do something better to better in the society. Yeah, the same thing. These two guys also did the same thing. They have supported COVID-19 people. This guy just got groceries for COVID-19 people, and in fact, many people kind of joined him, and now he kind of runs a chain of support group which helps COVID-19 people and all. The same thing. Arjun Seth initially started off very small, but then his idea was so large that it became a fundraiser for unfortunate families during COVID. Yeah, so this is all small things which can be done to make a change, right? So when I start saying that develop your skills, hone your skills and everything, you would definitely understand it is a behavior. So each and every day we have to live through this so that we behave in a much better way as a leader, right? So leadership is not a title, it is a behavior. So we all have to live it. Yes. I hope this session is useful for everybody. And if you guys have any questions, you can reach out to me, or if you need any help or to mentor you or anything, you can always reach out to me, and you can ask ma'am, or you can just ping me in Facebook or Instagram or anything. Yeah. Ma'am, over to you. I'm actually done with my presentation. I hope it was good. Please do provide me a good, not a good feedback, but a general feedback from all the students and yourself, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Anu. That was a wonderful session. And I would say that you eased our job of getting volunteers. It was not like those days, where you would come out volunteering. Nowadays, it has become really tough to find people who volunteer. So I felt like Bada Anu has done a good job. பசங்க இனிமே அனு பேசினது கேட்டதுக்கு அப்புறம் நிறைய வாலண்டியர் பண்ணுவாங்க அப்படின்னு தோணுச்சு. கரெக்டா பசங்களா? Is that so? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so I could see here initially only 1 or 2 persons were answering. Now I could see 4 or 5 answers. So I think it's a wonderful session, Anu. And it was not like a quite a formal session on building leadership skills and building dare to lead and all those things. You started from where actually these students can start. It starts all with the
That's
volunteering.
good. Yes, ma'am. Even I wanted to make a session like this because I interacted with another couple of college students, and I found that the mindset of the students were pretty much the same. It's like since they have all the technologies and gadgets with them, it's like I don't think they are much curious or much energetic for volunteering, and also I thought I should convey the message here as well. I hope I did justice.
Yes, I know. That is what every one of us feel. These gadgets have taken most of their time, and the human relations are reducing these days. I know.
That's correct.
They don't have absolutely any idea of the person who is sitting next to them in their desk. Actually, these are first year students, and we haven't even met them more than once actually. And
Okay.
not even every one of them, so they are not physically, they haven't yet come to the college, but otherwise also we have the same issue with second years and third years. You ask about somebody to whom they are sitting next to, what happened to the person, why is the person not there, don't know, madam.
Yes,
That is the
yes.
simple answer we get.
That's correct.
The gadgets, they are taking their time, but I think they'll realize it at some point that they are not sufficient actually to build relations.
That's so correct. That's so true, ma'am. Yes.
LOL and having a smile, it is not going to occur.
That's correct. That's so true. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am, I would like to hear from the students. Like, I would like to hear a couple of feedback.
Yes,
So that
we will
if I
call them. We will take their feedback definitely. Yeah, now I request நிஜமாலுமே அனுப்பிரியா பேசினது உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொன்னா I wish you give your feedback so that she'll be really happy, and we will also be happy to hear from you. Please unmute yourself and give your feedback, guys and girls.
எஸ் மேம், இட்ஸ் a very wonderful session மேம். ஜஸ்ட் வாலண்டியரிங் வந்துட்டு பிரச்சனையா இருக்குன்னு சொன்னோம். ஸோ இந்த சம் வெபினார்ஸ்ல வந்துட்டு நம்ம பேசுறதுக்கு கூட டைம் கிடைக்காது. ஸோ கொஷின்ஸ் வந்துட்டு நம்ம கேட்கறதுக்கு கொஞ்சம் இதாக தான் இருக்கும். இந்த இது நம்ம கொஷின்ஸ் கேட்கவும் முடிஞ்சு அதுக்கு ஆன்சர்ஸும் பண்ண முடிஞ்சதுனால வாலண்டியர்ஸ் வந்து இங்கேயே வந்து அதிகமான இதாக இருக்கு. தேங்க்யூ மேம், wonderful session.
Thank you, Jeeva.
Girls?
Yes, definitely. I need a representative from girls because I would like a different session only with girls, ma'am. I don't know if it's that possible. Yeah, that would also help someday.
Yeah, sure. Girls, any feedback? ஏதாவது சொல்லுங்க, என்ன தோணுதோ சொல்லலாம். Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Nalini.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, leadership பத்தி நல்லாவே வந்துட்டு சொன்னீங்க. வாலண்டியரிங் வந்துட்டு யாரும் அவ்வளோக்கா சேர் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க. நீங்க சொன்னதுலேருந்து நம்மளே சரி போய் பண்ணலாம் அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி ஒரு குட் கைடன்ஸ் கிடைச்ச மாதிரி இருந்துச்சு. அதே மாதிரி நீங்க எங்களோட மட்டும் விட்டுறாம இன்னும் நிறைய பேருக்கு இந்த மாதிரி செஷன் வச்சு அவங்களுக்கு வந்து நிறைய நல்ல விஷயங்கள் சொல்லலாம் அப்படின்னு. தேங்க்யூ மேம் ஃபார் எங்களுக்காக வந்து பேசுங்க.
Thank you, Nalini. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes.
Any more feedbacks? See, இவ்ளோ பேர் இருந்தீங்கன்னா கூட now your resource person will remember only a few names. Be one among them. Yeah, சொல்லுங்க. யார் அது?
And this season gives more information and advantages about volunteers.
ஹரிஷ் சொல்லுங்க.
This season gives more importance and advantage.
Okay, it gives more importance, it seems, ma'am. Yes, thanks, Harish.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks for all your feedback, and I just want you all to implement all the qualities that we talked about in this session in all your, future opportunities and everything. Don't miss out an opportunity that is being thrown at you. It is not easy that everybody is getting an opportunity to develop their skills. So until and unless we make use of those skills, we will be in the same place where we were in the first year, and in the same place we will be there in the fourth year also. Please don't be that kind of person, and you yourself should feel a big massive difference from first year to the final year. So make use of all the opportunities, and I am very thankful to ma'am and Kumar sir for arranging this connect, and I could spend this time with all of you, my brothers and sisters. So for any future guidance or any problem to a solution or anything, your issue might be anything, I'm always there to help you out. You can always contact me. Yes, that's it, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah, thanks, Anu. Over to Dr. Kumar.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, Anupriya. The session was very much useful, and to be frank, we also learned what is leadership. So thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
And thank you for accepting our invitation and presenting such a wonderful topic. That I think this topic, this session was very much useful for our students, and they will be, as madam said, during their college periods, they will be motivating themselves, and they will do different activities for the department as well. So at this juncture, I would like to thank Anupriya and our dean madam and the faculty members who have joined in this session, and my dear students, thank you very much for attending this wonderful session. And I request one and of you, all the students, to try to implement what you learned today. And just அது கேட்டுட்டு அப்படி விட்டுட்டு போகாத. இனி வரப்போற கிளாஸ்ல எல்லாம் you have to volunteer yourself, and I congratulate, I wish you to become a leader in future. Thank you very much. Over to MOC. No MOC, over to Raghu. Madam, let us end the session, madam.
Yes, sir. And thanks, Anu, for being with us. Maybe we will disturb you again for some other class.
Pleasure. That will always be my pleasure, ma'am. Please keep disturbing me. Okay.
Thank
yes,
you, Anu.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am, and thank you all my students. Anything, please reach out to me. Yes, thanks, ma'am. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, Anu.
Bye. Bye.